Good afternoon to all. Today we're going to see about the SNS Roadmap. What is meant by SNS Roadmap? This is an building excellence by step for the students, and we have some the technical concept to make our students an excellent one. The first four major things are the foundation, framework and culture, growth and innovations, excellence and creations. The foundations we have the three parameters called challenges and common man and business and the design thinking. Where the framework and culture we have the three P cultures with purpose, process and people to serve for the students and community. 3C framework, attitude, logic and technique. And then the 3 5 pillars like SEDs, KCI, SRI, CFC, CLC and IAPC. The two learn, upskill, innovation and network. And then spine for the health, hobbies and sports and the 18 clubs we have. And then growth and innovations, we have innovations 7 plus 7 fund verticals and the 15 industry clubs, Gen AI enablement and then certified talents, and then smart OKR goals where we have the excellence, thousand startups and growth mindset. With design thinking providing the logical approach and AI enabling skill, thousand startup mission is not just a dream, it is an achievable. This is an SNS roadmap schematical representations. We'll see one by one on the SNS roadmap. The overview of the SNS roadmap, we have the four major things where foundation, framework and culture, and the growth and innovations, excellence and creations. A journey from the initial frictions to building innovations and excellence is the SNS roadmap's theme. Where the foundations is nothing but establish the core. The students has to make a base on their core to excellent in their own technical department. The challenges, initial friction and frustrations that is to be bring out from the students to make the students to join in the all the areas. And then common man and the business standard approaches to be followed, and we have been following in our SNS institutions to make all the students to be in a standard format. And in design thinking, it is an human-centered innovations where we implemented in the curriculum to follow up in all the activities, building a foundation through empathy and design thinking based problem solving. This is the foundations of SNS roadmap. Framework and culture, the shaping the mindset and environment, where the students in the mindset that we should make our environment to our own culture and the frame. But the first one is the 3P culture, purpose, process, and people. To this is to serve in the environment, the society, and the 3C framework, attitude, logic, and then technique. And the five pillars is SRI, SCD, CFC, CLT, and then IAPC to make the students at the faculty fraternity to learn and then upskill their ideas and innovate more things and the networking with the members. Spine, which is used for the health and the hobbies and sport. We have the 18 clubs in the institute to involve all the collaborations activities, developing the culture of learning, collaborations, and wellness is the theme of the framework and the culture. Next one, the third one is the growth and the innovations, driving transformations and skills, where this is one of the important in our SNS roadmap that making our students in a change in a year and the year and the department skills, where innovation 7 plus 7 framework for a creative development in all the curriculum and in all the semesters we have the project we innovate that in that project with the 7 plus 7 verticals to create a new ideas for the students. Gen A enabled teaching roadmaps and project hacks in all the projects and the all the student event and in the classroom delivery method and in all the curriculum and the content of the delivery. We have implemented the Gen AI materials to uh, fulfill the advancements in the technologies in the current scenarios. And then certified talents like IT, business, engineering, fostering innovations through AI and certifications in all the students in all the branches. We are make the students to get a global certifications, and then excellence and creations. This is one of the important in our roadmap that achieving and sustaining excellence in the students in all the parts, the students to get more achievements in their uh, for their life. The smart OKR goals, the gamification for measurable success, where we have the five pillar wise OKR setup to complete their task to get excellence and the achievement. Excellence, where the progressive achievement in all the activity and all the progress like project or the industrial activity and the students innovations like hub. In all the places we have more achievements by the students, and then thousands we are 10 years missions is to make our thousands AI startup growth mindset using the design thinking and AI, and then turning innovations into impact through long-term excellence. The vision of our institute, design thinking provides structure and creativity. AI enables scalability and smart automations. Together, they drive this thousands AI startup mission. From these ideas, they impact a roadmap for innovations led excellence. This is what about our SNS roadmap. This is to build the students in an excellent world. Thank you. The building excellence step by step is not just about the systems, it's about mindset, innovations, and purpose. SNS roadmap transfers into the creations, nurturing individuals, and organizing to achieve sustainable excellence. Thank you.